Hi, today we discuss about Stark 55 amp engine starter battery charger. So let's start. Key specifications. Item weight, 62 pounds. Engine start, 600 amp. Power, 200 volt 60 Hz. Input power, 2. Key features. The Stark engine starter is a powerful charger that can instantly add life to a dead engine of a large vehicle. It has a built-in microprocessor, ideal for maintaining the battery indefinitely and increasing its life. The monitoring and charging technology help prevent the battery from overcharging or short circuit. People appreciate the safety features, which help eliminate reverse polarity, sparks, and overcharging. The 12V battery charger is quite easy to use, because of its readable screen and wheel for maneuverability. The Stark engine starter is much more useful than the CTEK portable charger for various reasons. One of them is a powerful 12-volt to 24-volt charger that helps jump-start a dead engine faster. It also has a microprocessor that ensures the battery will be charged safely. The Stark engine starter is one of the best in the market due to its monitoring technology, which helps precise charging. It is a worry-free battery charger that takes lesser time to jump-start vehicles with a bigger engine. People love how easy it is to push around due to its wheels and retractable handles. Pros: 12V, 24 volts battery charger. Built-in microprocessor. Reverse polarity protection. Cons: very heavy. Our recommendation: the Stark engine starter is one of the best choices due to the microprocessor, which charges the battery and protects it. The wheels make it quite easy to maneuver the battery charger and use it conveniently. The product buying link is in the description below.